Harbor Cove is located on the bay and across from the beach. The resort-style pool is nestled in a tropical oasis. Bring your boat and sail the Gulf. The glass enclosures allow you to capture evening sunsets and dolphins frolicking in the bay. This home has a bright and inviting feeling. This home features an expansive open floor plan. Here you'll enjoy the endless water views while sipping your morning coffee or tea. This floor plan has so many possibilities for your customization. The kitchen has been nicely updated. Brand new appliances were just installed. One can fall in love with all these windows and light. This space is large and inviting. The multiple seating areas is great for entertaining or simply relaxing. Primary ensuite has a walk-in closet and bathroom. Wake up and step onto your own balcony. Sit back and watch the boats sail by from your balcony. Nicely updated bathroom. This home has several closets. Guests will enjoy a spacious bedroom. Guests will love the access to balcony. This home has its own laundry room. Located in the moorings with sidewalks for endless walks and bike rides. Harbor Cove has a beautiful resort pool. Active community with a busy social calendar. The poolside tiki bar is host to some fun. Take your favorite beverage to the tiki bar and enjoy sunsets with friends. The pool is located on the bay. The views from this complex are truly spectacular. The balcony has water views. The beach access is just a few feet away. You have miles and miles of beach to enjoy. Perfectly located in the heart of Naples, just a few minutes from downtown and Mercato. Reach the village shops on Venetian Bay Inn at 1 mile. Here you can shop all day or enjoy some ice cream. Dine al fresco on the Venetian Bay. Enjoy sunsets and sunsets every day.